Bye bye, DR. See you next time.
I don't need to see the road to believe, yeah. 'Cause this is where I'm meant to be, I believe.
DR, here we go. Welcome to the beautiful island of Dominican Republic, where it's known as the land of eternal summer, sun, and beach, along with majestic mountains. We decided to vacation in Punta Cana, which is known as the best beach in the world because of its rich flora and fauna and for its natural beauty. We flew into the Punta Cana International Airport, which I have to say was one of the most stress-free and no-worries airports I've ever traveled through. Definitely love that, especially for young travelers. Just look at how they tie in their culture at every turn. We got our airport transportation and headed to our hotel, which is Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana. We stayed at Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana, which is located in the prestige Juanillo Beach. Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana is an all-inclusive resort for families in the exclusive area of Cap Cana. It's just about 15 minutes from the Punta Cana International Airport. What I love about this hotel is the warm, friendly welcome you receive from everyone with their signature Hyatt hello as soon as you arrive at the entrance of the hotel. Now, that I must say is pretty cool. We were also greeted with hand towels and a nice cocktail drink upon arrival to the lobby, while our luggage was taken away by the bellboys to free us up a bit. As we waited for our rooms to be ready for us, I had to take a quick stroll to just soak in the beauty of this gorgeous hotel where I would be spending the next 4 days. Look at the serene beauty of everything that is just captivating. Our rooms were ready and we got the keys to start our couple's vacation in full swing. So we were in the Resort View Junior Suite that comes with a king-size bed, furnished balcony, sofa bed, television, and a mini refrigerator. Now, wow, look at this room. Look at the attention to detail. From the aesthetics at the front door, then throughout the room, you can see the difference in the experience that you will receive. The bathroom also has a double vanity and a large walk-in shower. But this is what I really like about this room. Look at the additional toiletries that really add a unique touch. We received toothbrushes with toothpaste, a shave kit, vanity kit, sewing kit, in addition to your normal toiletries. Also, there was an ironing and ironing board, bathrobes and slippers, and an umbrella. We also had all the snacks that are comfort food at home, along with a variety of beverages stocked in a refrigerator. Just look at this view. It's time to get this couple's vacation started. So as we were going to get something to drink, we passed the staff setting up what appears to be movie night for the kids. The entertainment for kids here is really special as well. So we arrived at Moments Bar and got some refreshers to start the vacation. There's so much happening in this one spot with music, dancing, and boxing going on. Just the perfect place to relax after a day of flying. So we decided to have dinner under the stars and we chose to dine at Grill's BBQ House. To all my barbecue fans out there, let me tell you, they got it right. That brisket, which is usually my tester for good barbecue, was very succulent. It literally melted in my mouth. And the dessert to top it off added that special touch. Definitely a must-do dining experience. Our next stop was for another drink at Grog Grog Bar. And for those persons like myself who don't like to drink a lot of alcohol, there were plenty of selections for non-alcoholic beverages. I was full after all that food and drinks, but I passed this Coffee Republic dessert bar and I had to stop and get frozen desserts. Worse, they had my all-time favorite rum and raisin ice cream. I had to get some. Our final stop was to enjoy some night entertainment at the Marquis Theater that I must say was really nice, with the dancing, acrobatic performances, and also crowd involvement that really added a touch of fun and excitement. And that was the end to day one of our vacation. We walked for a bit more before heading back to our rooms to call it a night. This is the Boss Club Lounge for club membership services. The next day I got up pretty early while hubby was still sleeping to get my morning walk in. But I also wanted to show you the gorgeous pool view and just the serene beauty of this place. The beach is also beautiful at sunrise. Look at the gorgeous coconut trees scattered around the property. There are also beach sports available for the adventurous as well, along with outside excursions that can be done at this booth. So we decided to have breakfast at El Mercado Buffet, one of 6 available restaurants at Ziva Cap Cana. The breakfast spread at this place is amazing. There is a station for just about every taste bud. When I do travel, I like to try the local dishes to get a different experience from what I'm used to. So I got some Dominican breakfast mixed in with some other cultural cuisines. Our kids weren't with us on this vacation, but I wanted to show you more of Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana and the kids section for your little ones. This is mostly where we would be with the kids, but for this vacation, we were doing more grown folks entertainment. So you can see here that there is a beautiful water park to entertain your kids. They also have a splash park for the younger ones, and it definitely looks like fun. Then there are slides for the older kids to explore as well. Also, you can find a lazy river for added relaxation. Then when it's time to eat, there are food trucks, which is pretty unique, I must say, and adds that special touch to the dining experience. There is also a kids club that you can check your kids into for some couples time away. And also, there is a teens club for the kids who don't care to hang out with you anyway and want some time away with their age group. Also, how convenient is it that there is a spa right there that you can go to while the kids are being tended to? So as you can see, there is something for everyone. Today we decided to spend the rest of the day at the beach, soaking in the sun and enjoying the beachside entertainment. order beverages right on the beach as waiters come around ever so often to get you anything that you need. For lunch, we decided to eat at the Navigator Seafood Grill because what is beach day anyway without your seafood fix? There was also freshly made tacos. After a full day of sun and relaxation, we decided to eat dinner at the Tempest. The Tempest is a Mongolian Asian restaurant that offers the option of a hibachi dining experience. We decided to do the dining experience, and that was definitely a lot of fun. I really enjoyed being entertained while the chef freshly prepared our meals and finished it off with a tasty dessert. Here ends part 1 of our couple's vacation. In part 2, I will show you Hyatt Zilara, which is an all-inclusive adults-only resort. I will also take you on our excursion to Saona Island on a catamaran boat tour. Thank you once again for joining us on our couple's adventure to Dominican Republic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content with our family. I hope that this channel will inspire and encourage you to take more family adventures. Until next time, one love.